This is Varsha.
This is Mayur.
And we are Glee Travelers. So today we are going to Expo
2020.
Yes.
एक्सपो 2020 पहुंचने के लिए हम लोग मेट्रो ले रहे हैं बुर्जुमन स्टेशन से. द डिस्टेंस इज अराउंड 50 किलोमीटर्स एंड द फेयर वुड बी 7.5 dirhams. So there is this NOL card available जो कि प्री लोडेड आता है. We have got our NOL card which is for 25 dirhams with the amount of 19 dirhams to be used. And हमारा एक्सपो का रिटर्न फेयर वुड बी 15 dirhams per person. We are taking metro from the red line. I'm wondering whether this is Dubai Metro or Mumbai Metro. Have a look. Guys, local commute के लिए you can download Sail app which will give you all the information about the taxi, the bus, the metro along with the fare. And finally we arrive at Expo 2020. We are super hungry but let's just head towards it. Guys, you must come for this greatest global gathering in the history. So Expo 2020 is a world expo currently hosted by Dubai in UAE from 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022. So 6 months period. And this is Al Wasl Dome, the jewel of Expo 2020 site. This was named after the old Dubai and seeks to highlight the expo theme, connecting minds, creating the future. And at night it looks marvelous. You look like lost.
Yeah, I want to go to the street food corner.
The expo will also have 3 sub-themes: opportunity, mobility and sustainability, each with its own pavilion. इससे अच्छा स्टार्ट क्या हो सकता था? Before anything else, हम लोगों ने परेड देखी. This is called Colors of the World Parade. This is definitely such a colorful experience. Let's start with Saudi Arabia Pavilion. This is reflection of the kingdom's past, present and shared future. This is the second largest pavilion at Expo, located at Opportunity District. Let's go. I'm excited because I can see some water. Can I go inside that? Yes! दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. एक यूनिक वाटर फीचर आपका आते से ही वेलकम कर रहा है. Mayu, come in. Oh, this feels so good because the temperature outside is really high. This is the pavilion about the people of Saudi Arabia, about the natural landscape, past, present and future. Let's enjoy a glimpse of Saudi pavilions, people, nature, heritage and opportunities.
Hello everyone and welcome to the London People section. This area we will see the special bond between the Saudis and their land. We will also see how they connected the past with the present. This amazing display took more than 72 days of shooting and traveling.
Just imagine guys watching Avatar or any Avengers movie on this huge big screens. one of the best visually beautiful pavilions. Our next stop is Campus Germany, जो कि सऊदी अरेबिया के काफ़ी पास ही है, and this is in Sustainability District.
Until, at some point, we came along. Seemingly within the blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet ourselves, fitting it best to our needs. Today, our leading role and our impact raise a lot of questions. How will we generate our energy in the future? How will we protect the biodiversity? And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and immerse yourself in 100,000 ideas for a better future.
Let's go and see what Germany has for us. Wow! This is a huge ball pit. Each of the 100,000 balls will tell a story, present a statistic, or spotlight a sustainability champion from Germany. I wanted to do what I had never done before, fall in the ball pit. Guys, also if you don't follow us on Instagram, ये हमारा Instagram का ID है. Follow us on Instagram for fun story and reels. The German Pavilion is an edutainment-based, a surprising haptic digital showcase of German innovations and solutions in the field of sustainability. You get to wear cutting-edge connecting devices as they explore themed areas including the Energy Lab, the Future City Lab, and the Biodiversity Lab. This is the Future City Lab. One thing we learned from here is there is no end to your imagination, your creativity, and with the correct resources, you can definitely turn it to a reality. There are very playful and fun exhibits that will explain the world to both young and old alike. This is the beautiful Biodiversity Lab. Guys, I must say, this is a place not just for you but for your children, for your kids also. All teenagers, they must visit here because the learning possibilities are endless. The message is clear, it's easy to understand, not too complicated. Everyone will be able to get involved and feel part of a large community. As the expo theme puts it, connecting minds, creating the future. Would you agree that we can only tackle climate change by working together? Here is a great example for this.
You have to stay together, yeah. You have to move together. Now go to the other side. No, you have to keep together, yes. You have to move right and left together. No, you have to, yeah. Yeah. Okay, now everyone to this side. You have, and now everyone to this side here. Okay, that's good. And in the middle again. Okay. You have to come closer, yes. This white one is showing where you are. Okay, go right. You go left, please. Okay. There we go. And this one is to show that we have to work together to stay in the planetary boundaries, okay? That's really good. And right now, you see them all together.
And the journey ends at the graduation hall, featuring swing seats to symbolize the world coming together. That was end of beautiful Germany campus. And definitely Dubai is most beautiful in the evening. This was time to take a break and eat something. That's our spot. Apart from restaurant and cafes, you will find many other shops to go for shopping. There are many official stores, there are many brand stores, and also you will find a place called Zoom. This is a convenience store and you can get your basic refreshment to snack and some baby items. These shops are available at many sites. This is Women's Pavilion. This comes under Special Pavilion. And they started with a short movie.
On the water by putting different layers of ochre.
Yeah, that's it. My wish is to see each and every person getting access to clean water.
It really shocks me when we have working together.
To change perspectives and acknowledge that when women thrive, it's actually the whole of humanity that thrives.
You make me proud to spell my name W-O-N-A.
إلكترونية مساهمة أخرى التي قدمتها النساء تتعلمون فيها عن النساء اللاتي غيرنا.
Women light the way. That's so true. This is a place to understand the positive impact women make on the world and the challenges they still face. You can see so many inspiring stories in this room and how beautifully it is presented. Perfect way to show the worldwide initiatives and solutions by women and their ripple effect to create a better world. ऑलमोस्ट दिन ख़त्म होने को आ रहा था बट हम लोगों का मन बिल्कुल नहीं भरा था. वी वर फ्रिकिंग टायर्ड बट ये दिल मांगे मोर. This is the unique water feature that helps to escape the heat, and this is one of the biggest attraction. Just stop off to dip our feet in the waterfall that crashes to the ground before disappearing into the stones. And at night, this looks so beautiful. एक और चीज़ है जो आपको मिस नहीं करनी चाहिए. दिस इज़ गार्डन इन द स्काई. सो दिस इज़ अ रोटेटिंग गार्डन विच यू विल एंटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड और फ्रॉम द बेसमेंट. देर आर 2 cabins and once it started it will go up to 55 meters above the ground, and the fee to this ride is 30 dirhams per person. Let's enjoy the ride along with the expo views. You can see the whole expo from here. आप ऊपर आके स्पॉट भी कर सकते हैं कि आपने कौन से पवेलियन देखे हैं और क्या क्या रह गया है. एनीवेज, ये एक्सपो की टॉप 10 सेलेक्टेड पवेलियन भी एक दिन में कवर करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो आप एक रात को ये स्पॉट कर सकते हैं और फिर अपने सेकेंड राउंड में आके इसको कवर कर सकते हैं. Hey, look at that waterfall. You see? The black. See? Oh. And we are going down.
Yeah, we are going down.
Joining us. We hope that you enjoy the rest of your day at Expo 2020.
That was definitely an amazing ride. Guys, इसी वीक हम लोग एक और वीडियो रिलीज़ करेंगे. That will be only having Expo 2020 visuals, no vlogging. So do check out that. बहुत सारे पवेलियन हैं जो कि रात को बहुत सुंदर लग रहे थे बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट काइंड, डिफरेंट थीम ऑफ लाइट शो. आई थिंक यू कैन इवन गेट दीज बाइक्स ऑन रेंट टू ट्रैवल इनसाइड द एक्सपो. Before we exit, there's one more thing pending, and that is the dome. You can just go and take a seat and enjoy this beautiful, marvelous show. The launch of Expo 2020 happened in this dome amphitheater. Also, there are many other events which take place in this theater only. Before leaving, we thought we'll just have something at Irish Village. After Irish House, it was time to head back for our metro. By the way, आपको एक्सपो के किसी भी एग्जिट से भी बसेस मिल जाती हैं जो कि आपको मेट्रो स्टेशन तक ड्रॉप कर सकती हैं. It's very wonderful day. The place is just amazing. There's so many things here. I don't have words. I don't understand everything. But to my eyes, this is a dream. And we are shooting double. It's been an amazing day here. We are a little tired because we have been walking from morning 12.
Yeah, so we are tired, but it's so fucking inspirational.
And we are liking it.
Yeah,
we are loving it.
Yeah, that keeps us going.
People have put in so much effort, and it's just not the effort, but the idea, the concept, I think if you are in Dubai, you must come here. There is no reason not to come here. You must come here for a day. 3 cheers to Expo 2020. Now it's your turn. Please go share, like and subscribe our channel.
And whatever makes your soul happy, do that.